Betrayal hurts. It's a pain that cuts deep, often leaving us feeling shattered and vulnerable. The sting of betrayal can come from anyone we hold dear, and it leaves a mark that isn't easily erased. It's a punch to the gut. The emotional turmoil can manifest physically, making it feel like a literal blow to our core. The shock and disbelief can be overwhelming, leaving us gasping for air, trying to make sense of what just happened. Whether it's a partner, friend, or family member, broken trust leaves a deep wound. The relationships we cherish the most are the ones that can hurt us the deepest when trust is broken. The arguments, the fallouts, the heated discussions, they all leave scars that take time to heal. You might feel lost, angry, and alone. The isolation can be suffocating, and the anger can be all-consuming. It's a whirlwind of emotions that can make you feel like you're spiraling out of control. The loneliness can be the hardest part, making you question your worth and your place in the world. It's okay to feel these things. Your feelings are valid. Don't ignore the pain, embrace it, acknowledge it, and give yourself the space to grieve. It's important to remember that your emotions are a natural response to the hurt you've experienced. Allow yourself to feel, to cry, to be vulnerable. Betrayal can shake your world. You might question everything. You might question yourself. Remember, healing takes time. Be patient with yourself. Reflect on your feelings, write them down, and seek solace in the small moments of peace. Healing is a journey, and it's okay to take it one step at a time. This is a journey, not a race. Each step you take, no matter how small, is a step towards healing. Embrace the journey, find strength in your resilience, and look forward to the horizon. The path to healing is unique to each person, and it's important to honor your own pace. Trust that with time, the wound will begin to heal, and you will emerge stronger and wiser. You can't heal what you don't acknowledge. The journey to healing begins with a single, often difficult step: facing the truth. It's about looking inward and recognizing the hurt that has been inflicted upon you. This acknowledgement is not a sign of weakness, but a testament to your strength and resilience. The first step is admitting the betrayal happened. Don't bury the pain. It's tempting to push it aside, to pretend it never occurred, but doing so only prolongs the suffering. By admitting the betrayal, you take control of your narrative. You begin to reclaim your power. Don't pretend it didn't occur. Sit with your feelings. Allow yourself to feel the full spectrum of emotions: anger, sadness, confusion. These feelings are valid and necessary. They are part of the healing process. By sitting with your feelings, you give yourself permission to grieve and to process what has happened. Allow yourself to grieve the broken trust. Write down your thoughts. Journaling can be a powerful tool for healing. It allows you to express your emotions freely and without judgment. Writing can help you make sense of your feelings and provide a sense of release. It's a private space where you can be honest with yourself. Talk to a trusted friend. Sharing your experience with someone you trust can be incredibly therapeutic. It helps to know that you are not alone, that someone else understands your pain. A trusted friend can offer support, perspective, and comfort during this difficult time. Acknowledging the pain is hard, but it's essential. It takes courage to face your pain head-on, but doing so is a crucial step towards healing. It shows that you are ready to move forward, to start the process of rebuilding and recovery. This determination will be your guiding light through the darkness. It allows you to start the healing process. By acknowledging your pain, you open the door to healing. You give yourself the opportunity to grow, to learn, and to become stronger. This is the beginning of a journey towards a healthier, more resilient you. Remember, you're not alone in this. Many people experience betrayal. It's a common human experience, and there is a community of people who understand what you're going through. Reach out, seek support, and know that healing is possible. Together, we can find strength and solace in shared experiences. Communication is crucial after betrayal. When trust is broken, the path to healing often begins with open and honest dialogue. It's not just about talking, but truly expressing and understanding each other's feelings. This can be incredibly challenging, but it's a necessary step towards rebuilding trust and moving forward. Talk to the person who hurt you. Initiate the conversation with a calm and open mind. It's important to approach this discussion with the intent to understand and resolve, rather than to blame or accuse. This sets a positive tone and opens the door for a more productive dialogue. This conversation won't be easy. Choose a safe space. Find a quiet, private place where both of you can speak freely without interruptions. The environment can significantly impact the quality of your conversation, so make sure it's a place where you both feel comfortable and safe. Be honest about your feelings. Use I statements. Expressing your emotions using I statements helps to communicate your feelings without sounding accusatory. For example, instead of saying, "You made me feel," say, "I felt." This subtle shift can make a big difference in how your message is received. For example, "I felt hurt when you lied to me." This way, you are taking ownership of your feelings and not placing the blame directly on the other person. It encourages a more empathetic response and opens up the possibility for a more constructive conversation. Listen to their side of the story. Active listening is just as important as speaking. Give them the space to share their perspective without interrupting. This shows that you value their feelings and are willing to understand their point of view. Try to understand their perspective. Even if you don't agree with their actions, understanding their reasoning can provide valuable insights into their behavior and help you both find common ground. This doesn't excuse their actions. Understanding is not the same as condoning. It's important to acknowledge the hurt and the impact of their actions while also recognizing the reasons behind them. This balanced approach can help in processing the emotions involved. But understanding can help with processing. It can make it easier to move past the hurt and start the healing process. By seeing the situation from their perspective, you can begin to rebuild the trust that was broken. Remember, communication is a two-way street. It requires effort from both sides. Both parties need to be willing to listen, understand, and work towards a resolution. It's a collaborative process that involves mutual respect and a genuine desire to heal and move forward. It requires effort from both sides. Effective communication is the foundation of any healthy relationship. By committing to open and honest dialogue, you can navigate through the challenges and come out stronger on the other side. Rebuilding trust takes time and effort. It's like building a brick wall. Each brick represents a positive action. Start with small steps. Be reliable. Keep your promises. Be transparent in your actions. Consistency is key. Show up every day. Be there for the other person. Over time, these small actions will start to rebuild trust. It won't happen overnight, but with patience and effort, it's possible. Time is a powerful healer. It allows you to process emotions, and it provides perspective. Don't rush the healing process. Be patient with yourself and the other person. Healing doesn't mean forgetting. It means learning to live with the pain. It means finding a way to move forward. Remember, time is your ally in this journey. Forgiveness is a personal choice. It's not about condoning the betrayal. It's about releasing the anger and resentment. Forgiveness is for you, not the other person. Forgiving doesn't mean forgetting. It means choosing to move forward. It means choosing peace over pain. Remember, forgiveness is a process, not a destination. Sometimes you need extra support. Don't hesitate to seek professional help. A therapist can provide a safe space to process emotions. They can teach you coping mechanisms. Therapy can be beneficial for both individuals and couples. It can help you communicate better. It can help you rebuild trust. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Betrayal can break a relationship, but it can also make it stronger. Use this experience as an opportunity for growth. Learn from your mistakes. Communicate more openly. Rebuilding trust takes work, but the reward is a deeper, more resilient bond. Remember, you're in this together. Support each other. Betrayal can feel like the end, but it's not. There's hope for healing. There's hope for forgiveness. There's hope for a stronger relationship. Focus on the present moment. Take one step at a time. Celebrate small victories. Remember, you're not defined by this experience. You are capable of love and happiness. Believe in the possibility of a brighter future.